I have a very favorite memory of the early days of working with Brown Sharpe. This was in the UK, and at that time I was in a commercial role in the organization. And I was working with another colleague of mine, and we visited a customer that was in the process of negotiation and acquiring a piece of equipment from the Brown Sharpe factory in North Kingstown in Rhode Island. And in this particular instance, the customer, after final negotiations had taken place, decided to present me with a surprise piece of paper. This was a document that whereby their company, the David Brown Gear Company in Huddersfield, and the Brown Sharpe Manufacturing Company of Providence, Rhode Island, had been in relationships for over 100 years. And on the piece of paper it stated very clearly that Brown Sharpe would offer an additional 25% off the best negotiated price. So we were, of course, presented with this in some level of humor exchange, but fortunately we were able to keep our existing price, and the customer became a satisfied customer 100 years later, still doing business with Brown Sharpe.
Henry was, you never know, he was the owner of this company. He used to walk around every day. He'd come join you at lunch, sit you in there. All he cared about was, were you happy? Could he help you?
A man to admire as your CEO and COB, yet a simple man. He abounded in simple wisdoms.
And he had his little bow tie, of course.
The bow tie, you know, the brown plaid or brown and green plaid jacket. He always dressed the way he wanted. You know, he had his particular style.
He was a unique individual, Henry.
He knew everybody on the shop floor by name. And he made it a point to go out and visit everybody.
Brown Sharpe's influence was quite significant on the impact of Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence's success in the world today. The company, as Brown Sharpe, had a very clear brand recognition, very, very strong, very well versed in manufacturing processes, etc., from the machine tool days to the metrology days of Brown Sharpe. Taking that as the springboard, Hexagon was then able to accelerate its footprint in the manufacturing world that we see today.